Here's another one, another King Day moment in September of 1958.
It was a dark Saturday afternoon. While sitting there autographing books, a demented black woman came up.
At that moment, she pulled out a 7-inch blade.
Before I knew it, I had been stabbed by this demented woman. I read that if you had sneezed, you would have died. I'm simply writing you to say that I'm so happy that you didn't sneeze. I want to say tonight that I too am happy that I didn't sneeze, because if I had sneezed, I wouldn't have been around here in 1960. When students all over the South started sitting in at lunch hours. If I had sneezed, I'm happy tonight. I'm not worried about anything. I'm not fearing any man. Mine eyes have seen the glory of the coming of the Lord.
Dr. Martin Luther King Jr., lest we forget.